So, hi guys, everyone, good afternoon. Okay, we need to start our class now. Everybody focus here. Okay, focus here. We need to start our class now. Don't discuss. See here today, what we need to do, we need to start with the what here front end. You know very well. In the front end, first we need to start with our HTML. And you know, in HTML also we have the latest version that is nothing but HTML5. So now we need to start our class now. So what I will do now, I will save this. I will go to the E drive. I can save anywhere, sir. Anywhere I can save. So let me take one front end. Front end I am taking. So here I will be saving as what here? Class 1. Okay, front end will comes with what here? Class 1, class 2, class 3. Like this I will give you. So first of all, we will see HTML stands for. Yes. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. That is the first point. It's a full form of HTML. It is widely used language on web to develop web pages and web applications. See, first thing you need to remember, it is widely used. When it is widely used means on web, means on internet, to develop web pages and web applications. Web pages, you know, website. Website is a collection of web pages. Or you can say web application. For example, I want to log into the Facebook. So I need to go to facebook.com/login. So this Facebook login page is a what here? Web page. Even I want to go to Instagram page, Instagram.com/login. So this is what here? Instagram page is also coming. So whatever the pages you can see here, this is known as what here? Web pages. And that application is known as web application. So to develop web pages and web applications, what we are using widely? HTML. HTML used widely. Next is what here? It is developed by Berners-Lee in late 1991. So Berners-Lee is the creator who developed this HTML. It is a case insensitive language. Means you can write in uppercase, you can write in lowercase, your wish. It is a tag based language also. It's a tag based language. So what does it mean? Tag means we should write less than greater than symbol. And here I'm writing HTML. This is known as one tag. So in HTML, what we are writing is nothing but we are writing only tags only. So that is the reason it is also known as tag-based language. So every tag must contains opening tag and closing tag. So what is the rule of HTML? You know, what is the rule of HTML? HTML says, array, whenever you are writing a tag or whenever you write a tag, so you should write one opening tag, one is closing tag. This is known as what here? Opening tag. And this is known as what here? Closing tag. Understand my point here now? Next. Every tag may contains attribute. May contains attribute. That is attribute name and attribute value. So see here, whenever we are writing a tag here, for example, we have a body tag. So in body, we have a tag, and you know, in this tag only, every tag may contains what here? Attribute. Attribute means after the body, I am writing BG color. And here I am telling what here? Red. So I am telling that BG color is an attribute. Even we have our own attributes. Our height is our attribute. Our color is an attribute. Our weight is our attribute. Our age is a attribute. So similarly, for every tag, we have one attribute. That attribute is BG colored. Nothing but attribute name and attribute value. What's the attribute value I gave? Red. Next is what here? Each attribute must be separated with space, sir, space. Each attribute must be separated with space. Assume that when you are working with multiple attributes, it is not like that one tag will have only one attribute. Might be one tag may have multiple attributes. So how will you write multiple attributes? Means what we need to keep in the middle? Space. Each attribute must be separated with space. So means when I am writing this one, copy, or I can say, if a tag contains multiple attributes, then each attribute must separated with a space. So first we have what here? BG color. Even we can say what here? Background. Some background I can take one image, something like that I can take one image. So tell me total how many attributes are there? Two attributes. So what is the middle? What is the middle is there here? Space is the middle. So like this, we will declare the attributes in Java. Okay, sir. Next, what I want to tell you, all HTML documents we need to save with .html or .htm extension. So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, if I am writing a program. See, normally we are telling Java program, advanced Java program. But when it comes to HTML, in HTML, we are developing documents. So we are not developing the programs. So I always pronounce documents. So all our HTML documents, we need to save with what extension? .html or .html extension. All HTML documents, or I can say, HTML documents will execute in browser window or will execute at client side. At client side, that is browser window. So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, I want to work with HTML. So do I need to install any software? You don't require any software. You check, do you have browser window in your operating system or not? So tell me, whenever we install any operating system, by default nowadays operating systems, browser windows are coming or not coming? Yes. For example, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer. So these are the two browsers will come automatically. Remaining browsers we need to install manually. For example, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, even I can say what here, Edge, Microsoft Edge, and next is what here? Internet Explorer, okay, and etc. etc. These are the some of the browsers we required. So if you have any one browser, it is enough. And in that browser only we can see the output of HTML documents. Understood my point here now? So tell me, whenever you are writing a HTML document, where you can see the output? Browser window. One student was asking to me, sir, why are you not writing Google? Sir, Google is a search engine. So Google, Yahoo, Bingo, these are known as what? Search engines. I'm not talking about search engines. I'm talking about browser windows. Okay, sir. All documents will execute at client side, that is browser window. Next, HTML is used to create client side components. Yes. So tell me, we are creating client side components because whatever the components we are creating, whatever the HTML documents we are creating, all those documents will execute at client side only. They will execute in browser only. So that's why HTML is used to create client side components. Okay, sir, we got an idea. So, okay, sir, we understood till here. Now, what I want to tell you, HTML 2.0 specification was released in the year of 1995. And HTML 4.0, sir, not 3, 4 specification was released in the year of 1999. And HTML5, which is the extension of HTML 4.0 was released in the year of 2000, in the year of 2005. In the year of what? 2005. So now tell me, when HTML5 came into the existence? 2005 it was released. And next is what here? The main objective of HTML5 is used to develop lightweight components. And HTML5 is also known as advanced hypertext markup language. So see here, there is a lot of drawbacks are there with HTML and HTML5. So don't worry, I will give you one separate class. What is the difference between HTML and HTML5? But one point you need to remember, in HTML, we need to do lot of code, lot of tags we need to write, then we can achieve that output. But in HTML5, we are writing very less tags, very less code, and we are achieving the same output. So tell me, what is the main objective of releasing the HTML5? Is used to develop lightweight components. Sir, when it will become lightweight components, do you know? Suppose if you are writing very less code, whenever if you are writing very less code, door. So whenever we are writing very less code, okay, whenever we are writing very less code, then only it will becomes what here? Lightweight components. And HTML5 is also known as advanced hypertext markup language. Okay, theory is finished, sir. Theory is finished now. Now we understood about the theory. Theory we have understood now. So tell me, up to here, everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got an idea? Online people, did you understand whatever I explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyhow, theory is not important now. But remember, in interview, when you are going, they will ask you one question. What is HTML? So don't tell full form. You people are ready to say hypertext markup language. So you should say, you tell, no problem, but tell after that also. You can tell, sir, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is widely used language on web to develop web pages and web applications. It is developed by Berners-Lee in the late 1991. Okay, sir, now got an idea. Sir, you told one point in the classes, you said that learning Java is difficult when compared to learning the front end. So why so? Why are you telling like this? Actually, we keep a lot of interest in Java. Suddenly, if you say like this, that interest will go, sir. Why are you telling like this? What is the reason? See, suppose if I want to work with Java, definitely I need to install Java software. But tell me, to work with HTML, do we require any software? No. So that is the first advantage of HTML. If anyone says, what is the advantage of HTML? First of all, it is easy to learn, easy to use. Second thing is, no additional softwares are required to work with HTML. We don't require any additional softwares. Understood my point here now? So, okay, sir, we got an idea, sir. We got an idea. But one disadvantage I want to give you about HTML. See, when you work with HTML, disadvantage is we need to write lot of code to achieve the output. So we need to do lot of code. Lot of code we need to write in HTML. That is the first disadvantage. Second disadvantage is it will develop static web pages only. What it will develop? Static web pages. For example, Facebook page. Tell me, Facebook page is a dynamic page. Huh? If you open today, same photo will be there. If you open after 10 days also, same page will come. Same button. Button will not go anywhere also. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. Dynamic means your life, nowadays IPL is going on and you people are busy with IPL. So how will you see the score? Dynamic page. You are seeing the score in what? Dynamic page. So remember that point here. So if anyone says what are the disadvantages of HTML, tell them, sir, HTML is used to create only static pages and here we need to do lot of code. Here we need to do lot of code we need to do to achieve the output. So that is the main disadvantages. Don't worry. I have created separate PDF which is having all interview questions and answers. We'll see later that one. Up to here, everybody understood now? Yes, sir. Okay, so now we will develop the first program in HTML. Before we go to, let me give you HTML skeleton example. HTML skeleton example. Or just say HTML skeleton document. So now let's see this one now. So, sir, how to write the HTML program? See, our main agenda, our main intention is not to learn HTML. Our main intention is to learn HTML5. So, but when you can understand HTML5, if you have idea on HTML. So what do? Here we need to write a doc type. Doc type we should write. Then we should write next HTML. Closing of HTML. So one student was asking to me, sir, doc type is not a tag. No, it's not a tag. It representing a document. It representing a document. It says it's a HTML document. Okay, HTML is a tag. So every opening tag will have closing tag. Then inside this, we need to write what tag? Header tag. Everyone having header, and here we will write header related tags. Header related tags. Then we should write body. We should write body. Somebody just Charan will come later. You guys come now, anybody? Come first. First. Okay. Body. Yes, you don't require sticker. Thank you, Charan. So see here, I wrote body here, and here I will say body related tags. Body related tags. Okay, sir, like this we have created. We have head related tags and body related tags. Okay. So now tell me, here whenever you are writing doc type, I will give you a note point. This doc type represent HTML document. Which document? HTML document. Now what I do, I will copy the same. I will paste, not from here, here. Copy. I will write or, and here I will write like this. And here I will say HTML, lowercase. Copy this. This is nothing but what here? This represents HTML5 document. Understood the difference? So tell me, what is the difference between HTML and HTML5? To represent HTML, we need to use doc type. To represent HTML5, we need to use doc type HTML. So from now onwards, whenever I create a HTML document, HTML5 document, so I always use this line only. Doc type HTML. Okay, sir, we got an idea. Now what do? Next we have what tag? Sorry, we have HTML. So what is this HTML? We don't know. So let me give you some brief description about HTML. So let's say HTML. It is a root tag for entire HTML document. Root tag means what here? Parent tag. It contains two child tags. What are the two child tags we have? First, it is having header tag. Next is what here? Body tag. Understood my point? Yeah? Okay, sir, we got an idea. HTML means this one. Next, we need to focus what here? Header tag. So let me say a header tag is used to declare following things. Following things. So why do we use this header tag? What we will declare here? First one we will declare title of a page. Title of a page. Second, I can say favicon, favorite icon of a page. Favicon means what here? Favorite icon. Favorite icon. Next is what here? Third one, metadata of a document, or I can say metadata. Metadata. Fourth one is nothing but scripts. Fifth one I can say what here? Styles. Otherwise, I will say first styles, then scripts. Why? Because first CSS we will learn, then JavaScript. So let me say the word here, scripts. So these are the things we can declare, metadata. So these are the things we will declare inside the header tag. Apart from this, we never declare inside head tag. We need to declare inside body tag. So tell me inside header tag, what we will declare first? Yes, title we will declare. Second one, favorite icon. Third, metadata. Fourth, styles. Fifth, scripts we can declare. Now we need to go to the what here? Body tag. Body tag it is. A body tag contains actual content of the web page. Actual content of a web page. Sir, I did not understand. What does it means content? Content means you can see here, this is my Facebook login page. So here you can see box, some text field, one button. So here you can see photo. So this is known as what here? Content. Paragraph is one content, photo is one content. So all the content, the remaining content of the web page, where we should write? Inside the body. Understood my point? Okay, sir, we got an idea. So shall we develop the first program now? Because we have seen skeleton only. I didn't give you the first example of HTML. So let me do one thing. I will create one practicals folder. So let me go to the E drive. Here what I am doing now, I am going to the what? Front end. In front end, already I saved with what here? Class 1. There only I will create one more folder that is known as what? Practicals. Okay, it's raining, don't worry, you focus here. So now what we need to focus, I created one practicals folder. So might be question why you created? Because all my HTML documents I will save in that practicals folder. In Code Java, I created Java Proc folder. Similarly, here I am creating practicals folder. So what do we do now? Now I will take one notepad, because initially we are developing all our HTML documents in notepad only. For few days we are working with notepad, then we will change our different editors. Okay. So what I will do now, I will give you the example 1. Example 1 I will give you. So what is my example 1? Focus here. I will take what here? Notepad. I will open the notepad. This is my notepad. So tell me, you are working with HTML or HTML5? HTML5. What I should say? Explanation. Doc type HTML. Doc type HTML. Then we can say HTML. Closing of HTML. Then I can say header. Closing of header. Body. Closing of body. Sir, is it mandatory that whenever I'm writing the tag, I should write lowercase only? It's a case insensitive language now. We can write in uppercase, lowercase, no problem. Okay, sir, we got an idea. So first of all, header I am keeping empty. Header. Like you people, empty. Header. Okay, now where we need to focus? Body. Only body you focus. Okay, while sitting in the class also, you focus on body. Eat chocolates. Okay. So what I was thinking, now we need to go for what here? Body. So in body means what I will write, I will not use any tag. I will not use any tag. I will say welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML class. I'm writing like this inside the body. So now I need to save with, you know very well, you can take any name. Extension should be .html or .htm. So now let me go to the file. What I need to do? Save as. Now you need to go to the what here? Practicals. In practicals, I'm saving with index.html. So what is my name? Index. What is my extension? .html. Save. So now many people thinking, array, where to see the output? How to see the output? You need to go to that location. Go to that location. Practicals. Here is there. So you do one thing, you do right click. You can do open with. Open with any browser you need to select. So I'm selecting what? Firefox. Firefox I'm selecting. So you can see here, there is a one message is coming. Welcome to HTML class. Let me zoom for other people. Welcome to HTML class, coming or not coming? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. We got an idea how it is coming. Welcome to HTML. You got to know the first example. Okay, very good. First example. Okay, sir. This is not the important thing, sir. I want to show you the second example. Second example means we'll do some modifications. Remember, in the real time also, maintenance projects only. Maintenance projects means every time they need some changes. So what we are going to do now you can see the output. Tell me, you see the top here. Top you can see here. Let me show you. You can see the top here. So tell me, what is the title? Title is nothing but the location of the file. It giving the location of the file. E drive, iHub training batches, so and so, lab, it's going. So what we need is, I don't need that title, I need my title. So tell me, if you want to declare the title of the page, where I should declare, inside the head or inside the body? Inside the header. I already told you 5 things. So title comes under what? Header. Nobody will tell, you need to be smart. So now you can see here, I am going title tag. Title tag is used to declare the what here? Title. Understood my point here? No? So tell me, what is your title? My page. You can give your name also, no problem. So I am telling my page exclamation mark. So definitely that only will come my page with exclamation mark. Understood my point here now? So what we added? Title. Title we have added. Very good, sir. Title we have added. I hope you people got an idea how to add the title. But I am not happy with this example. I will go to the another one. So what I wants to do now, see here, whenever I log into the Facebook, for example, if I log into this Facebook and you can see there is a one Facebook icon is coming. Whenever I sign into Google, and you can find what here, Google icon is coming. Similarly, if I go to Instagram, Instagram will come. Yes or no? Tell me, for every website, for example, I will go to the compumaxllc.com. This is the company where I joined for my first job, sir. This is a website designing company for US people. So it's a website designing company. So this is my first company where I joined, and I worked for this company for 9 months till that manager knows me. Okay. So now you can see here. So this is the compumaxllc.com. So you can see whenever I type here, you can see what logo is coming or not. This is known as what here? Favorite icon. Don't tell it's a image, logo, like that. What we pronounce? Favorite icon. Favorite icon it is. It's not an image, it is not a logo. Understood my point here? No? Their logo only comes to the what? Favorite icon. So what is my requirement is, I want to keep the same thing. Because for my page also I need my favorite icon. So what do? We install one icon from the Google. So what I will do now, I will go to the here. What we will download, let's say amazing, let's say icons, amazing icons. Icons I cannot say, symbols, amazing symbols I want to take. This is amazing, huh? Easy. I don't know what happened to Google. Let's say logo symbols. Yeah, it will give you now. Good. Okay, sir. 1 second. Don't tell me anything. We can take anything. So any one we will take. Otherwise, we will take Facebook only. Otherwise, Avengers. Okay, Avengers. They want to fight. Okay. So now you can see here Avengers is there here. So let me copy here. What I want to do, you do right click. You just do right click. You can do right click. What you can do? Save as. You need to save in the same location where you save your HTML document. Where save as, go to that location. E drive. I have training. Here you need to go to front end, practicals, and the name I am giving what here? Avenger. Okay, Avenger. It's a PNG image. Can you see this? PNG image. Save. Okay, sir, we got an idea. So now what I will do? Now here there is no favorite icon here. Any favorite icon for me? For no favorite icon, you can see here. I will show you. You come this side. You can't find any favorite icon. So what I will do now? I will do one thing. I will take favorite icon. Here I can say link. Link. Here I can say what here? Icon. I am giving what here? Shortcut. Icon. So now what we need to do here? Then I can say what here? href. Href means what we need to do here is we need to take the location. What is that location? Here I will say what here? What is the name it is? Avenger. PNG. Save this. Okay now. So what I will do now, here 1 second here, source I'm giving what here? We have a what here? Shortcut also we can use. Here I can say what here? 1 second guys, 1 second. So now you can see here I wrote like this. So now let me do what here? Refresh. Anything came? No. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. I'm just going to that website. Okay. So now tell me, assume that this is the website is available. Which website? Compimax website. You want to see the code of this website? Yes, we can see the code. You just press Control U. You can see all the code of the website. Understood my point here? No? What you can see? Code of the website. You copy paste and you create your own website. Understood my point here now? So what we need to do, you know, so why I'm showing, because if you want to copy something from any website, yes, we can copy. So here we should get relevant. What we should get? Relevant we should get. So whenever we type relevant, it will take shortcut icon. And what is that icon? Avenger.png. Now you can see here. Now you can see here. Last time there is no favorite icon. Refresh. What came? Avenger came now. Came or not? Tell me. Like this we can take here. And it's not mandatory that we should write shortcut. Directly we can write what? Icon. And now still refresh. You can see that one. So which one is better? Icon. Shortcut is better. No, not that shortcut icon. Direct icon shortcut is better. Understood everybody? Okay, sir, we got an idea. So like this, we can take this.
Sir, explanation is compulsory.
Sorry,
His explanation symbol is compulsory. Title.
which title? This one? No, you can write any name I said. Okay, he's asking one question, sir. Exclamation mark is compulsory. No. Instead of that, let me make happy. I have people. I have people will feel happy. So what I wrote my title? I have. So let's see this one now. Let me change in the notes also. Explanation is not mandatory. So I said you can write any name. So now you can see a refresh. What's the title is coming? I have. Like that. You can give any name. Title can be any name. Favorite icon can be anything. But we will take same name as our company logo only. Company logo. So you need to design your company logo, sir. So today, what you need to do, I will tell you, I will give you the designing also. See, two things are there here. Web development is there, web designing is there. Web designing means you need to learn Photoshop. So using Photoshop, we can design the what here? Templates. Templates means photos. I will give you here. For example, let's go to the Google. Just type HTML templates. So go to these images and you can see this is the templates. You are designing like this templates. Okay, this is your templates. And you will show to the client, a client, see this is your template. It looks like this. This is your templates. Templates is nothing but only what? Photo. Same, it looks like this only. So if he said okay, then they will start the development. So first designing will be done, then development will be done. So if you want to design this type of pages before we developed, so you need to learn Photoshop. With the help of Photoshop, we can design. So that comes under what here? Web designing. So, but what I am teaching you is web development, not web designing. Understood my point here, no? Okay, sir, we got an idea. Okay, we understood here. So we have seen this one. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. But sir, I have one small doubt here. I will give you another example to you. So we have taken title, we have taken favorite icon. Now I will go to the what here? Example 4. Sir, whenever you are executing the program, what is my background is coming? White color. Every time white color is coming, sir. So just change the background color also, na sir. So what do? We need to go for body. Because to change the background color, don't go to the header. We need to go to the body. So body means what we will do. Here we will see what? BG color. Which color you want? Cyan color. What color? Cyan color. So now you can see this refresh. This is coming. Understood my point here now? So like this, we can change the background color. Color if you want to change. Sir, is it possible? Is it possible? Can we take any background as an image instead of color? Because I have seen many websites, they will take image as a background, not color. So what we need to do? We need to download one image again. But that time we need to take very large image, very big image. Then only it will come to the device. Otherwise, it will get repeated. So repetition I don't need. So what I will do, I will go to the Google. So what I will do here, again, I will search for large background images. Large background images. So what I will do, I will take this one, sir. I will take this one. Shall I take this one? Which one? First one, third one. This is good. Sir, your Java choice is good, but this choice is not good. So I want to take this one. Okay, I want to take this one. Okay, leave it, focus. Anyhow, you need to practice. When you are practicing, take which image you want. So now you can see here, save here. Save image as. I will take what here? BG. BG I am taking. And again, it is inside which folder? Practical. Save. So, and remember, you can see the below extension. What extension? JPG. JPG. So focus on the extensions also, very, very important. Okay, sir, we got an idea. So what to do now? Now we need to go to the coder. So that time I don't want to take BG color. I want to take background. Background. So what's the name of the image? BG.jpg.
JPG.
So now you can see here. Now you can see this. Refresh. I zoom now. That's why image also zoomed. Understood my point here now? That image coming or not coming? Yes, coming. So this time I took image in the what here background. So your wish, if you want to take color in the background, you can take color in the background. No, sir, I want to take image in the background, you can take image in the background. I hope you understood the basic HTML documents, how we are adding the title, favorite icon, as well as background color with background color and background image. So now I want to go with HTML comments. So in HTML also we have comments. So let me show you. HTML comments are created for documentation purpose. So same like what here? Java. Java document, these Java comments are also created for documentation. HTML comments are also created for documentation. Next is what here? HTML comments will not displayed, will not be displayed, or I can say HTML comments will not displayed in output. So tell me, HTML comments will displayed in output? No, HTML comments will not display in output. HTML comments are used to improve readability of our code. What it will improve? It will improve readability of our code. It will improve. So now what I want to give you here, we can declare HTML document as follow. See here how we need to declare the syntax. You can see exclamation hyphen hyphen comment here hyphen hyphen like this. This is known as what here? HTML comment. So for example, what I will do now, again, take this if you want. No. I kept one stick here. So might be they are thinking I am beating you people. They took that stick. They don't know what is the reality here. I will bring one more stick from here only. I can open, I can off. Okay, disturbing you people also. It's not good actually. Okay. So thank you for both of you. So now you can see here. Okay, we got an idea. We have seen about what here? HTML comment. See, when we write the code here, you can see here, I wrote the code here like this. But this code is not in a proper readable format, sir. Because assume that one student joined now. Assume that one student came now. Because no seriousness now. Any student can come anytime. Sir will start class on time. But you people will come late. Like that. So suppose one student came late to the class. And if he saw that program, he will not come from next day. Yes or no, tell me. So what we need to do, why it is happening? Because comments we are not using. So let me mention the comments, exclamation hyphen hyphen. So here I am telling what here? Title. It's a title. So then I am telling, here I will say this is known as what? Favicon, favorite icon, like this. And here I will say, this is known as what here? Message, custom message. Custom message, my own message. So tell me, everybody will understand the HTML document or not? Yes. Save this. So now you can see, refresh. Anywhere, can you see any comments? So that only I said, comments will not display in output. So tell me, HTML comments will not display in output. So that only I'm telling you. So now you got an idea how to work with HTML. Easy or complicated HTML? Easy. So shall I increase the time or 1 hour is enough? Huh? So don't worry, I will take 1 hour 15 minutes, not from this week, from next week. Okay, 1 hour 15 minutes I will take. Why? Because it's required, sir. It requires. Okay, no. So, okay, sir, we got an idea. We understood about this one. But we need to see many things, guys. Many things we need to see. What we need to cover is nothing but we need to cover metadata. Because you know very well, you go and check on the top. I told inside a head tag, even we will declare what here? Metadata. Only what we have done, title, favorite icon. So definitely we will do metadata. Styles we will see later, scripts we will see later. But even we need to work with metadata. That I will be explaining in the next class. Next class I will be explaining to you, don't worry. So, okay. Now I will give you last question of today's class. Then after that we will wind up the session. So what is the question? What is the question? Assume that this is my HTML document. This is my HTML document. Inside that we have HTML, doc type, header, body, everything is there. I am removing everything. I am removing. I removed everything. And here I am writing, thank you so much. What I wrote? Exclamation marks not compulsory. Otherwise, you'll ask doubt. Better. What is the question? What I am writing? Thank you so much. Now tell me if I am writing like this. So what will be the output? Output will come or output will not come? Sorry? Output will not come. Online people, what do you say? Output will come or output will not come?
Not come.
Okay, Nanda Kishore is telling not come. Others?
Output will come.
Output will come. Okay. What about offline people? Not come. Sure? Those who are busy with mobile phone, them? Output will come or output will not come? Not come. You search in Google, huh? Then why are you using mobile phone, man? 1 hour class. After that, freedom. Anybody scold you? Anybody will teach you? No, your life. So when you are there for 1 hour, please understand. It won't be good if you are using the mobile phone in class. They have cameras. What I am speaking, it is getting recorded. I will give you one video. After this class, meet me. Remember, that cameras are very good with voice, it will get recorded. And I saw one classroom, Python classroom recorded a video they have sent to me. I saw that one. So please understand, what you speak is getting recorded. What are you doing? It's get recorded. Yesterday also some students were using mobile phone. So immediately from management came that person using mobile phones. You know, I know nobody will stop you, but when time comes for placement, that time you'll face problem. Understands why I'm telling you. I won't tell anything now. So because you came for job, so give your 100% for job. If you have serious call, yes, you can use mobile phone. Nobody will stop you. Suppose you have important call from your parents, from somebody. So then you can receive. You can go outside, use and come back. Okay. So now see here, one thing is there here. Thank you so much. I wrote here. This is valid program. An output will come. Thank you so much only. Sir, why? Because no tag is mandatory. In HTML, no tag is mandatory. And one more thing it is, in HTML, we cannot use custom tags. My own tags we cannot write. Only we can use predefined tags. whatever the tags they gave, we need to use only those tags only. Understood my point here now? So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class. We'll continue where we stop in the today's class. Any doubts? Online people, any doubts with respect to today's class?
No, sir.
Okay, sir.